Hey yo, what's up guys? Remember Brendan on the channel today. Back in 2K20. Yeah, we lost our first game. Not too good. But here Zion has 2 points of fouls out. It's good, so I think I'm gonna just probably sim till here. Now let's see where we go. Nine and 6. Great. Team up 13 and 6. Where are in those standings? Ooh, where's number 1? Jeez. Where's Spurs at? So they're 8 and 12. They're one of the worst teams. Alright. Mm. 41 points per game. Bull's doing the best, really. I agree. Let's probably head down here again. Now see where we go. And we lose next 2 games. Oh, jeez. Jeez. Oh, jeez. Oh, oh, God. Well, there goes our streak. We lose 3 in a goddamn row. You're kidding me, right? Where at now? Yep. Let's see those stats. Yeah, we kind of need a new center. I ain't got any Goga. This guy, sure. You, sure. What if we get a center? Don't see any centers. Ooh, Robert Williams? Nah. You know, I'm not. Whatever. Let's go past the break to right here. There we go. You're kidding me, right? What? Yes, I'm definitely accepting that. I need Bam. You are going in for him. You don't get any minutes. Oh shoot. You're gonna get 20. You're gonna get that many. These guys all bad. Alright. Now we actually have a center. Nope. I'm not trading. No. No. You know what? I feel good with my team right now. We're not looking too bad. Now we're first. Okay. How are the Rockets that good? Hey. Wait, is Bam 10-8? He's at least playing defense. Yeah, let's go all the way down here in the season and see where we're at. Oh, we just get blown out there. Oh, it was 3 games in a row, 4 games in a row, 5 games in a row. Oh, he's 52-30. All right, there we go. MVP, Rookie of the Year, we got Zion. 6-man, defense, improved, coach. Jeez. We're number 2 seed. Someone tell me how we almost lost to Celtics. Oh, jeez. Wait, who's on? Oh. Okay. That looks like the best team in the league. Oh, wait. Jeez. Okay. Who's on that team that makes them so good? Okay. Who's on the Lakers? I'm scared to just get killed here, but never mind. Oh, the Bucks lost. The Bucks lost. All right. Well, let's get into the finals. Let's get into the goddamn finals. We in the finals, baby. First year. You know what? Let's go in and see. Oh, Jesus. Jeez. Where's Kawhi? Someone tell me where's Kawhi? Please tell me Kawhi's injured. Yeah, where's Kawhi? Someone tell me where the heck's Kawhi Leonard?
2K Sports welcomes you to the following presentation of the NBA. It's the 2K Sports pregame show.
Wait, did I trade him? Nah, bro, I kind of.
And a look at the Knicks earlier on. Check out the focus.
Yo, where's Kawhi? Wait, did I trade Kawhi? I'm pretty sure I traded Kawhi.
He's come a long way. Thank you. And now the New York Knicks starters. Kemba Walker is out there with Terrence Ross.
When this game's over, I'm definitely gonna have to check where that Kawhi went.
Adebayo in the center position. And for Houston, at the point and Harden to his center. The star-studded backcourt. Young is out there
Yep.
with Clint Capella and it's House at the
That's probably why they're so good. Alright, let's get to Sim. Don't get killed. Oh. Oh, yep, we are definitely getting killed. Who's in? Who the heck's in? Last 2 minutes. We kind of need our best players. Don't tell me someone fouled out. Good thing no one fouled out. We have all our best players in.
And we're about 3.5 minutes into
Harden's defense should suck.
Ross. And Steve from Williams.
Okay, your turn. Yeah. This probably makes no sense. Where the heck is Kawhi Leonard?
Who brings it up for the Rockets. 16
Did I really trade Kawhi?
In the game. Off the point, Harden to his shot. The star-studded backcourt.
I think I traded Kawhi.
It's House in at the 3 spot. That's the 5 for Houston right now.
He's almost obsessed with drawing contact and getting to the line. Harden has an endless number of ways.
And he's
So
down the
it's at like Trier and
over 3.5 minutes in the books.
someone else. It says someone that was not quite Leonard.
Hits the Walker. The 19-foot shot.
Holy God.
Good.
Focus, the precision. Walker
Yeah,
is
we're down
open.
15.
The hand in his face.
He played 14 minutes.
15. And here's Harden. The 3. Knicks with the rebound.
Thank you for not
He's
going in.
got 6 rebounds here tonight. To the paint. Here's Williamson. Drops in the layup for
Who's our leading scorer? There's Ross.
Williamson's got 4 points now on the court.
Terrence Ross. Then Goga.
Develops a stronger right hand. He's going to be unstoppable.
Harden outside.
Not
Off target.
defense, bro.
And even with good coverage defensively, he has
Holy God.
The Rockets
How do you not make that?
are terrific. 54% on the game. Lets it go with a 3. Drains it from beyond the arc.
That's probably why.
And guys, you can go ahead and put game 1 in the record books. Exactly how they wanted to kick off this series against a tremendous opponent. Big win for the Rockets.
The block can really turn things into their favor this time.
Great timing, anticipation. They got the blocks, and that definitely changed the momentum of this game.
The one player that really stands out, of course, in this one, it was a dazzling game for Chris Paul.
His passes were crisp tonight. Pinpoint. So many easy buckets came off.
Now get out of here, bro.
And as it goes out of bounds, Houston able to keep the ball. Houston a whole new 5 on the floor. Just 5 to shoot. McKay balls to Williams-Goss. It's deflected.
Yeah, tracking that one all the way, baby. Zion getting nasty at the defensive end.
And the dunk by Williamson.
It's always great to get into a rhythm, but do it when it matters. Yeah, it has to be frustrating to catch fire when the game is already over. I mean, it's not the outcome they want. You know, give them credit for still battling here now. I think it's too little too late.
No good on the free throw. He hits the second from the line.
Well, we lost this game, but it's only game 1.
It's a 4-second differential between the shot clock and game clock. Back to Walker. The tray. Out of bounds. Houston.
Yeah, I'm gonna set it. Alright. If Kawhi's on the... I think I traded Kawhi. Never mind, he got a season-ending injury. Why? Why? Yeah, thanks. We're already getting killed. You know what? Yeah, we're definitely not gonna win these finals. So if you guys enjoyed the video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.